web component development wouldn't be as nice and excellent programmer's experience without Lit plugin made by Rune Melzen. So this plugin makes programming web components with lit HTML and lit element really a joy with Visual Studio Code. So this video is going to revolve around the features and capabilities of lit plugin in the context of how to implement events. I have already started my project Paula 18, and in this project I have already created 4 videos, and this is going to be the 5th one, how to add events to our very simple basic counter application. So this application is available on Azure, and then it works fine, and this is where I'm going to implement event handling. That is, whenever an increment button is clicked, after the internal counter of the component is incremented or decremented, an event is sent over to any listener. Of course, if there is no listener, the event is still dispatched, but fortunately the browser's event machinery, if there is no listener, it makes no harm at all. So that's absolutely an excellent feature and part of the browser infrastructure, this event handling. So let's proceed and clone my project from command palette, git clone from GitHub, because this is my project and this is what I have here on my list, Paula 18, and select my GitHub disk. Let me just open it. Open a terminal. Remember, after downloading, the first step is always npm install this project has been initialized with Vitejs, so this was really an excellent experience. And then let me just start with npm run dev. If you don't remember the name, always you have the option to open the package.json and see the scripts, and this is the dev that you can start, npm run dev. Of course, you could also start with npx vit. Okay, my application is up and running. Control kick. Here you go. This is my Vite server, and this is my Edge browser. This is just to demonstrate that the Microsoft browser Edge, this is the official today, supports web components out of the box, so no polyfills anymore. So what to do to add events? I have my main TS. This is my project I have here. I don't really like this centralized layout. Let's just set it to left-sided. Okay, so the next step would be to add event handler